be your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world, share my world.
Hello my beauties, you're welcome to my channel. So on today's video we are going to be talking about the punani, the goodie card, the treasure box. Yes, your vagina, darling. So as long as you poop, you pee, you sweat, your vagina will always have a light scent. It's only when it is offensive that you have to worry about it. You're never going to taste like pineapple. You're never going to taste like strawberry, watermelon, cookies, lollipop. No, you will never taste. First thing, you have to get familiar with your vagina. So before you even continue this video, I'd like you to pause it, get to your bathroom, swipe your hand down there, wash your hand, come back. How does it smell? Now let's continue. Is it offensive? Then you're not doing the right thing. Now what you need to do to clear that bad air, it's for you to do a detox. You're the type that drinks enough water in a day. You can't taste bad. And another thing is, how do you wash down there? What soap do you use? You know you don't use your beauty soap, you don't use your shower gels, you don't use down there, and you don't put anything in. What I'm talking about washing is around the walls of your vagina. For me, I use Safeguard soap and it's perfect for me. I tried Dove, it didn't work, so I started using Safeguard, unscented Safeguard, and it's sweet. Yes. So you can use your Safeguard, you can use your Joy soap, your Lux, your Dove. Just use unscented soap. So another thing you need to do is your detox, your lime. For those that are done with childbirth, you can use your lime. Then for we ladies, you can use your lemon, you can use your apple cider vinegar, you can use your chlorophyll. Yes, any form of detox to detox your body. If you are the type that do not like to shave, to save yourself from that embarrassment, for those that are sexually active, you have to trim your hair. Trim your hair down there. The hair now combining with your sweat makes you stink. There are no two ways about it. You can't tell me you won't stink. As long as you sweat, you will. So learn to trim the hair. If you cannot shave and you cannot wax, learn to trim it. Just make it short. So how are you taking your yogurt? Your unscented, unsweetened yogurt. Yogurt is very good, especially for the ladies down there. It changes everything for the better for you. Your probiotic yogurt, learn to eat it. If you cannot take it like that because it's unsweetened or it's unscented, add your honey. This is for you to replace your junks with your fruits and vegetables. In a day, you should never miss to take your fruits and your vegetables. And also, I'm not talking about the fruit juice you get from your grocery stores. No, I'm talking about the natural fruit juice you make by yourself. The fruit juice I can tell you to opt out for is your cranberry juice. Unscented and unsweetened cranberry juice. They do a lot for the vagina. If you can't get hold of it, then you can get your cranberry powder and make your juice by yourself. You can add your honey to it. As a lady, please don't skip having your bath at least 2 times in a day. Learn to have your bath. Help yourself. Learn to have your bath morning and night. Other important tips is for you to wear your cotton pants and always change your underwears. Don't wear one underwear for 2 days. Anytime you have your bath, change your underwear. Please. So those were my tips on how to taste and smell good down there. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about 3 supplements that you can actually use for those that cannot get hold of their fruits, or for those that cannot eat their probiotics yogurt. I'm going to be, please ensure that you leave your comments down below on how you feel about the video. Also leave your comments down below on your own tips on how you do yours, and also subscribe to this channel, share this video to your friends and loved ones. Please follow me on my Instagram at Vagina. Thanks for
Friend.